So this is a very short tutorial on how to add bricks edit links to this label that we have here. You can see down in the bottom left that here I have the normal link and here I have the bricks edit link. And it's very easy actually. You need to insert some kind of code, and I use Codebox for that. I have it as external, deferring in my VP admin header, and then I have it when I edit a page. And if you have other post types, let's say you want to use bricks on the post or landing pages or anything like that, then you can go to here and you can put in your post type name or slug here. So I'll go back, and first of all, this is the jQuery. You could probably also use vanilla JavaScript, but I'm using jQuery here. And I'm looping through the whole table, and I'm finding the label that we have here. And if it include bricks, then we do something. Then I am going to insert a link, and inside that link I type the word bricks myself. The reason why I'm not using the bricks that's by default is because sometimes bricks also have a comma and a space. So in here you can actually type anything. You can say visual editor, and then I can save this. And if I'm going back to my pages, you can see I now said visual editor. So you can actually do whatever you want. But let me go back and insert bricks here again, like that. Yeah, and then I have my pre-label. My label after bricks. So it will always come with this word first, and then this one after. That's the way I've been doing it. And when I hover, it will fade in, and when I leave hover, it will fade out. So it's actually just this code that you have to insert inside of your code box or whatever you use. And when that is done, then if you go to your pages here and you click on this one, you'll now see that I'll be entering bricks, the builder, and we're now able to edit and do whatever we want to. So yeah, that's it.